I have met George recently.
I have met George recently.
I met George last month.
I met George last month.
My roommate has moved out recently.
My roommate has moved out recently.
My roommate moved out 2 years ago.
My roommate moved out 2 years ago.
They have lived in Italy since 2017.
They have lived in Italy since 2017.
They lived in Italy from 2016 to 2019.
They lived in Italy from 2016 to 2019.
I have visited Canada recently.
I have visited Canada recently.
I visited Canada in 2019.
I visited Canada in 2019.
He has broken his leg.
He has broken his leg.
He broke his leg last year.
He broke his leg last year.
I have shopped here for many years.
I have shopped here for many years.
I shopped here last week.
I shopped here last week.
He has lost his keys.
He has lost his keys.
He lost his keys last week.
He lost his keys last week.
She has already cooked dinner.
She has already cooked dinner.
She cooked dinner last night.
She cooked dinner last night.
They have never been to this restaurant.
They have never been to this restaurant.
They weren't at this restaurant last week.
They weren't at this restaurant last week.
She has worked here for a long time.
She has worked here for a long time.
She worked here from 2019 to 2024.
She worked here from 2019 to 2024.
I haven't eaten sushi yet.
I haven't eaten sushi yet.
I didn't eat sushi when I was in Japan.
I didn't eat sushi when I was in Japan.
She has played this game 3 times.
She has played this game 3 times.
She only played this game once.
She only played this game once.
I have bought a car.
I have bought a car.
I bought a car yesterday.
I bought a car yesterday.
She has visited Cuba twice.
She has visited Cuba twice.
She visited Cuba last year.
She visited Cuba last year.
He has written 2 books.
He has written 2 books.
He wrote 2 books last year.
He wrote 2 books last year.
I have seen this film before.
I have seen this film before.
I saw this film last night.
I saw this film last night.
She hasn't called me yet.
She hasn't called me yet.
She didn't call me yesterday.
She didn't call me yesterday.
She has spilled some tea on her top.
She has spilled some tea on her top.
She spilled some tea on her top yesterday.
She spilled some tea on her top yesterday.
I've had a headache all afternoon.
I've had a headache all afternoon.
I had a headache when I woke up.
I had a headache when I woke up.
I have lived in this house since I was born.
I have lived in this house since I was born.
I lived in this house many years ago.
I lived in this house many years ago.
He has had a dog for 2 years.
He has had a dog for 2 years.
He had a dog last year.
He had a dog last year.
I haven't visited Paris.
I haven't visited Paris.
I didn't visit Paris on my last trip.
I didn't visit Paris on my last trip.
He has broken his guitar.
He has broken his guitar.
He broke his guitar last week.
He broke his guitar last week.
They have visited London before.
They have visited London before.
They visited London last year.
They visited London last year.
James has painted 2 pictures.
James has painted 2 pictures.
James painted 2 pictures last year.
James painted 2 pictures last year.
He hasn't eaten breakfast yet.
He hasn't eaten breakfast yet.
He didn't eat breakfast.
He didn't eat breakfast.
I have already completed the project.
I have already completed the project.
I completed the project last week.
I completed the project last week.
I have lived here since 2016.
I have lived here since 2016.
I lived here for 8 years.
I lived here for 8 years.
Mary has gone to Italy 3 times.
Mary has gone to Italy 3 times.
Mary went to Italy in the summer.
Mary went to Italy in the summer.
Tina has already gone camping.
Tina has already gone camping.
Tina went camping last weekend.
Tina went camping last weekend.
Zoe has never eaten Thai food before.
Zoe has never eaten Thai food before.
Zoe didn't eat Thai food yesterday.
Zoe didn't eat Thai food yesterday.
I have never seen her before.
I have never seen her before.
I didn't see her at yesterday's party.
I didn't see her at yesterday's party.
Lily hasn't texted me recently.
Lily hasn't texted me recently.
Lily didn't text me yesterday.
Lily didn't text me yesterday.
The kids have played together before.
The kids have played together before.
The kids played together yesterday.
The kids played together yesterday.
Have you gone out with Liam before?
Have you gone out with Liam before?
Did you go out with Liam last night?
Did you go out with Liam last night?
I have worked hard since 6 a.m.
I have worked hard since 6 a.m.
I worked hard last week.
I worked hard last week.
The plane to New York has already departed.
The plane to New York has already departed.
The plane to New York departed 10 minutes ago.
The plane to New York departed 10 minutes ago.
He has been in the hospital for 3 days.
He has been in the hospital for 3 days.
He was in the hospital for 3 days last year.
He was in the hospital for 3 days last year.